about the environment. We only had 9 people do their homework. So congratulations, Kitty. You had the best homework overall. Fred, you had the best presentation skills. You were very good at facing the front and speaking clearly, Fred, and you got all of your points across. Mia, Sal, and Huang, you had the best life cycle description. Mia, I liked where you added about how the hamsters mate before they reproduce. Nina and Simon, you guys had the best life cycle drawings. And Michael and Cindy, you guys had some very unique information and unique facts that were really fascinating. So thank you guys for your very good life presentations. Let's take a look at our best one, Kitty. So everybody listen to part of Kitty's presentation so you can see what I'm looking for. She faces the front, she speaks clearly, and she includes all of the information that was asked of her. Excellent job, Kitty.
Hi everyone, my name is Kitty. Today I will talk about a frog. A frog are amphibians. They have smooth and slimy skin. They don't have ears that stick like mammals. They have ear holes. They have 4 legs. They lay many eggs that the prey can't escape. They are small. That is their character. Spikes are when the adult frog will give eggs. They will lay eggs. The eggs hatch to attack.
All right, so that was part of Kitty's presentation. Excellent job, Kitty. You did amazing facing the front and including lots of characteristics of amphibians, as well as characteristics about frogs, specifically about how they catch their prey with their long tongues, what they eat, what they don't eat. It was very, very informative, so excellent job. Now for everyone who did not do their homework, we had some amazing presentations. You have 2 more days, tonight and tomorrow night. If you did not do your homework yet, I would like you to please film your video and put it where the link is that Miss Summer shared with you all in the email. All right, so can anyone tell me what they think these 4 things are? What do they have in common? How are they different? Let's see hands. All right, let's have Teddy.
They both are omnivores.
Omnivores. Yeah, you're right. Well, elephants eat mostly plants. I think they're herbivores for the most part. But what are these 4 pictures? They're each a different what? Any ideas? Nina, go ahead.
They are both all different places.
Excellent, they're all different places. What else can you tell me about them, Kiwi? Let's have Nuna.
What?
How are these what are each of these places?
The forest.
Yeah, we have a forest. Excellent job, Nuna. We have a forest. Dami, what can you tell me?
They are different living things.
Yeah, they have different living things. Excellent. What about you, Michael?
They are all environments, but some are aquatic and but most of them are terrestrial.
Excellent job, Michael, right? They're all different environments or specific, and then within those environments, we have different habitats. And like Michael said, we have 1 aquatic and then 3 terrestrial habitats. Anyone else have anything to add? Kaki?
They are both animals' habitat.
Yeah, good. They're habitats for animals.
No.
Excellent job. Okay, let's take a look here. Can someone answer this question for me? What is a habitat? Let me see hands. Use the raise your hand function. What is a habitat? Good, I see a couple of different hands going up. Let's see, who haven't we heard from in a while? Bo, do you know the answer?
A habitat is where the animals live.
Excellent, that's a great start. Wonderful job, Bo. Habitat is where animals live. Can anyone give me more information? What about Kwang Hai?
Habitat is a place or a food.
Yeah, right? It's a place where the animals have the food that they need. Anyone else have anything to add? Kiwi?
Habitat is the home that animals live.
Good, it's the home that animals live in because that's where their food is, right? It's where they get the food that they need. Chi, anything else to add?
It is a shelter for the animal.
Excellent job, right? Not just food, also the shelter that they need. All right, so it's a place where animals get food, shelter, and water. So their habitat is where their food is, where the place they can live is, and where they can get water to drink. All right, so this is an environment. How is this different from a habitat? Put your hand up if you have an idea. Put your hand down if you don't. What do you see? Adam, go ahead.
An environment is a place where an animal has the right type of food. When a place has the right type of food, shelter, water, and an environment.
Yeah, so environment includes all of those things, right? So that was more its habitat. Its habitats, it's food, it's water, it's shelter. What else is environment? What do you see in the picture? Kaki.
They're big.
Yeah, it's big. This is a really big space, right? Environment can be really big or really small. It can be in a lot of different levels. Can someone make an observation about this picture? What observations can you make? Bo?
Hills.
Hills, excellent job. Good observation. What about you, Kitty?
I see sky.
Good. Sky. What about you, Nancy?
I see grasses and trees.
Good observation. Grasses and trees. What about Noob? What do you see?
I see water.
Water. Good. Okay, so those are some good observations. All of these different things you mentioned, the water, the hills, the trees, and grass, these all have a ton of different habitats in them, right? But the environment is all of it. So, what is an environment? Let's read this definition together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
What Good. Very good job. All of the living and non-living things in a place. Going back to this picture, this environment, can someone give me actually let's open our chat box, or can everyone list out something living that they see? Trees. Good job, Michael. Yeah, there are trees. Khaki said trees earlier. What else do you see? Khaki, I'm not sure if the sky's alive. So can someone raise your hand? Good, I see grass. Could someone raise their hand and share with me what living means? What about Mooney? What is living?
It's something is living and need food.
Yeah, right. It's alive. It needs food. It needs water. It's alive. Good. Nuna said plants. Oh yeah, Dami, Michael, good job. Like Miss Summer said, they also said alive in the chat. Grass, plants, flowers. Excellent job, Kitty. Can everyone list some non-living things that they see? What about non-living things? Let's have Noob. Go ahead.
Either thing not live.
Yeah, you're right. Exactly. If it's not alive, right? It's not alive. Like let's see, ocean. Good job, Suri, Kaki. Water. Yes, Nuna, Kwanghai, or Kui. Good. Suri, good job. Mooney, you're right. A chair is not living, but we're going based off what we see, what we can observe in the photo. Suri, it doesn't grow. Correct. All right, good job, everybody. So some examples from this picture that you guys said as well. You guys did a really good job. We have air, right? Can someone else read the rest of these off for me? Let's have Cherry. Can you read these for your classmates?
Air, temperature, soil, rain, fall, rainfall, plants, animals.
Excellent job. Thank you so much, Cherry. So these are all living and non-living things. Can someone tell me what are the living things on this list? Leihan.
The living thing is animal and plant.
Excellent job. And the other things are all non-living. The temperature, the soil, rainfall, the air quality. These things are all part of the environment and help determine what kind of environment it is. Is it a savanna? Is it a rainforest? Right? Those all help us figure out what it is. There's lots of habitats in this environment. The soil might be the habitat for some plants, and the rocks might be a habitat for moss. The trees might be a habitat for monkeys. Okay, so let's start listing off some living and some non-living things. So can everyone open your chat and message me some living things? Any living thing you can think of. So far I see plants and animals. Can give me some other things or specific ones? Plants, animals. Good. I have humans, grass, cat, puppy. Yeah, good job. People, pigs, yep, trees. Maybe we have bacteria like germs. Yucky. Good, that's a good list. Now this other list I think is gonna be even longer. Wow, Nina, that's a lot. Good job, Nina. This next list is gonna be a bit longer. Let's hear some non-living things. Good, we have the sky. Great one, khaki. The toilet from Fred. I'll accept that for now, but let's think of non-living things in the environment. So not man-made, but natural non-living things. So actually, let's erase this. What are some natural non-living things? The sky, what else have we said? The sun, excellent khaki. Some natural non-living things. Let's get a couple of more. Water, good job, Fred. Rocks, excellent job, Nuna, yes. Good, Kitty. Clouds. Air. Good. Air is very important. Soil. Yes. Good job, Mooney. The earth. Yeah, the ground. Everything in the ground. All right, let's see what's next. Habitats and environments. How are habitats and environments related? Let's see, can someone tell me how habitats and environments are similar to each other? How about Michael?
There are all living things in there.
Yeah, there are living things in both. Excellent. Suri also had some other good non-living things I'll say real quick. Suri said ocean, sea, rivers, lake, rocks, soil. You're right, the ocean's not alive. Rivers are not alive. Great work. How else are environments and habitats similar? How are they related? Teddy.
They are related because environments both have shelter and
Good.
both have living things.
Excellent. They both have shelter and living things. Those are great answers. Let's see. Suri, you've been typing up a lot of really good answers. Let's hear your response. How are environments and habitats similar or different?
Habitat is smaller than an environment.
Good. Habitat's smaller than an environment. Bo, can you give me anything else? Not sure?
Yes. Not sure.
That's okay. Let's hear from, who else has their hand raised? Let's hear from Adam.
They are similar in different ways. Like they both have animals, both have food, both have water, both have land, both have life, and both have living things and non-living things.
Yes, excellent answer. Can you think of how a reason they're different?
Okay, they both have different plants.
Mhm.
Sometimes they can have different plants, different animals, different type of life, different land, different different living things and non-living things.
Good. All right, good, Adam. That's enough for now. Excellent answer. Thank you so much. Okay, so here we have this. Can someone tell me what are some characteristics of this environment? What are some living and non-living things that you see? Bo?
Water,
Water, is that living or non-living?
non-living.
Excellent job. Thank you, Bo. Who else has something? Mia.
I see waterfall.
Good. Is that living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. Excellent job.
Rainforest. Rock.
Good. Is rock living or non-living?
Non-living.
Excellent job, Mia. Thank you so much. Kui, can you give me something else you see?
I see leaves.
Leaves. Are those living or non-living?
Non-living.
Leaves are not alive?
Just a dog.
Do they
No.
take...
Yes. No.
Leaves are alive, right? They take in water and sunlight. Nina, go ahead.
I see river.
Good. Is that living or non-living?
Non-living.
Good. Ocean, what do you see? What is your observation?
I see plants.
Plants, are those living or non-living?
Living.
Excellent job. What about you, Vicky? Vicky, what do you see?
I see some rocks.
Rocks, are those living or non-living?
As non-living.
Excellent job. So these are all part of the environment. Those are characteristics of this environment. In how many habitats do you see in this environment? Who can give me an animal? Who could give me an animal that might live here and its habitat in this environment? Bo, what's an animal from this environment and where might it live?
Fish.
Fish, and where would it live?
The water.
Yeah, so there's one habitat, the river is the fish's habitat. Kwang Hai, can you give me another one?
I see a frog.
A frog, and what's the frog's habitat?
A frog habitat is in under some big rocks. Sometimes it's
Excellent job, maybe near the rocks. And let's have one more. Fred, what's the habitat for the animal you said in the chat?
forest.
Forest, right? And what animal was it?
Bear.
Bear, good. And maybe it eats the fish in the river? Excellent job. All right, real quickly, because we're running out of time, let's do some matching. So I'm going to turn annotations on, and I want you to draw a line from the word to the correct definition. Go ahead and draw a line from the word to the correct definition only. Good, I see one correct answer, two, very good, much better, thank you guys. Good, very good job. Excellent. Excellent work. All right, I think that's most of people. Excellent job, guys, thank you. Can someone, let's read the definitions together. So the first one was environment, and everyone drew a line right here. So let's read that together. Ready? 1, 2, oh, sorry, I need to turn this off. 1, 2, 3.
Every place where animals
and shelter they need to live.
Excellent job. And let's do, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. That was not correct. My apologies. An environment is this one. That was habitat. Habitat, a place where animals get the food, water, and shelter they need to live. So it's more specific. The habitat for this specific animal. Let's read the definition for environment. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job, thank you. And now let's read the definitions for adapt, living, and non-living. So first, let's start with adapt. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And I'm going to read the last two quickly. So living is to be alive, and non-living is a thing that is not alive. Okay, so let's take a look at your homework. So you're going to play this game for practice. So we just had 40-minute class. Your practice is to play this game. Your homework is to draw an environment and label, that's the important word, label the living and non-living things in your picture. So it should look like this. Here's a drawing of an environment, a big thing, and you have a living bird, non-living river, living flowers, non-living sunlight, non-living air. So label the living and non-living things